Alright, hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, what is up? This is gonna be another one of my videos that I don't edit. I have been meaning to show my setup. This is gonna be a Halloween fall-ish spread, but it's mainly Halloween in my pocket planner. This is the one that I got from Amazon. I will include a link in the description. But since this is gonna be a video that I don't edit, I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly. And since it's already past Halloween, I'm sure you guys are overlooking at Halloween stuff. But I still wanted to show you guys the setup because I think everything that's in here is super cute. I just really love it. I'm just sick of looking at Halloween stuff myself. So I want to switch this out, but I think it's so cute. And I also want to remember for myself. I want to document in case I want to kind of use some of the things that I have done in here. But so I love this. Again, this is the pocket size planner. There is what it looks like from the top. It's the one that has the pocket in the back. It's pretty chunky, and the way that I'm going to set it up next, I think I've kind of reduced some of the chunkness to it, hopefully. And I'm sorry if I hit the camera. I'm really leaned over right now. This is not a comfortable way for me to be standing to film this, so another reason why I'm going to try to be quick. If you guys have any questions though, if there's something that I don't really go too far in depth with, you guys can just ask me if you guys want to. But so here is what this looks like when I first open it up. And I have covered up a few things. It's a little bit more personal. Hopefully I've covered up everything that I need to. But so yeah, this is what it looks like when I first open it up. Again, it does have the pocket in the back. So I'll just go over what's in the back really fast. I just DIY'd my own little money organizer. So they're totally separate. I haven't really finished it, so I don't really want to show too much of it. And then I also have a little thing of stencils back here if I can get it. So it's just a little mini stencil set. I think I got this from Michael's on super clearance. It had come with that little pouch. This is the leaves from the Dollar Tree, obviously an ollie clip. This looks stupid, I know. It's just a little, I don't even know what they're called, but I'm pretty sure I got that from Michael's or Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go pretty quickly here. This is just a piece of acetate that I put the stickers on from Michael's. This is just a picture that I had found on Pinterest and just cut it out and laminated it. All of the papers that I made my dividers with are just from paper pads from Michael's. Super cute. I found this random Year at a Glance for 2019. I actually don't like it, so I want to redo it. And then for 2020, obviously, I have this little sheet of birthdays and anniversaries, but I need to update this, and I don't really like how colorful it is. It's just not it, so I want to find a different one. But for now, it's there. And then I have this little picture again. I just found this on Pinterest. It just says Hello Autumn. I think I had to go over it with pen, so I did that myself, but it's there. Just printed it out, laminated it, and then I have it paper clipped together with a paper clip that I got from somewhere. And then I just have the month at a glance from September. I need to update this, which is why I'm trying to film this so I can switch everything out. I have this little insert that just kind of comes out. I made this myself. It's just laminated sheet with a little sticker that says October. I know, I am behind, which, okay, trying to change it out. I guess I'll just leave this out. Then I have my October. I don't know where I found these actually from. I had to kind of resize it, and I still need to adjust it, but they're there. And then I already kind of started my November setup. And then again, I have this little thing that just comes out to mark. All right, so I definitely got a phone call in the middle of this. Now my phone is on airplane mode, so I am gonna have to edit it together, but it's fine because I don't want to refilm what I just did. All right, so I got that, and then it goes into my weeks. This is just the week pages that came with my Filofax when I ordered the red one. And I have a ton of the paper clips and little page groupers together on everything just because I have not updated this, so it's all just sitting right here so that when it's ready to go, it's there. Then on the other side, I actually made this little laminate sheet pocket with glitter and just lamination and acetate. And in it, I just have this little pumpkin spice that I found on Pinterest, cut it out. And then these little die cut pieces are from Michael's Halloween. And then I have a ton of these witch girls that someone drew. I am so sorry, I don't know the artist. I just found them on Pinterest and cut them out. Laminated it, so it's just a little decoration. And then again, paper from Michael's, just laminated. And then this is a DIY little shaker thing that I made. I still need to edit the DIY that I did for it. Oh, I just have like a little divider that just says star. This is for my social media section, but that's just acetate with stickers on it. But the shaker, I'm still going to post the DIY, even though it's using images from Halloween, but you can make them, you know, using any type of, whatever that's called, glitter pieces, die cuts, whatever in there. Then I just have a circle paper clip I think I got from TJ Maxx at one point in something, holding it together. So this is a separate, I use a calendar overview for like my life, and then this is separate in my social media section. So this just kind of keeps track of posts and videos that I need to edit and everything. This is just a little note, old for September, obviously October. And this is just my key for the colors so that I can just like write in the separate colors. And again, this was actually something that came out of a Michaels book, just cut it out. The other side, I'm not really sure where this came from. I think it was from Michaels. It's just like some kind of card holder. I don't know. This little note thing right here is from Erin Condren forever ago. Some more die cuts from Michaels. I just have a list. I just DIY'd this myself on some red paper for my videos that I need to film. And then I actually DIY'd this clip. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned it before. It's just a little camera since it's the social media section. And then this is just some more glitter paper. It's nice and smooth from Michaels. And on the other side, I actually laminated this, but it's just a die cut that I had gotten from Michaels Halloween. Here's another one of the like little witch girls. I love her, just laminated from Pinterest. Some more paper from a Michaels paper book. So pretty. I'm probably gonna leave this one in here. I can't really remember. Cool. And then, so this is my to-do section. So it's just an overall to-do section. The way I have it is I have a girl, and then I have like the actual divider decoration, and then I have a clear acetate page with my labels for each section. So this is just the to-do section. I made all these myself. Just have some little sticky notes because I like to put stuff on sticky notes before I write it in here. So this is just 2 contacts. So it's in the to-do section, but it's like contacts I need to make. So there's that. And then there's errands. I like to keep it separate. I don't know. It just makes sense to me. I DIY'd these little like subdividers. So like the top tabs. And obviously they're made to be like Christmas, Halloween-y. So they've got like the little pumpkins that I had gotten from the dollar spot at Target. And then it's just glitter laminated. And I still think I'm going to take this little paper out because this is like to do around the home. But I think I'm going to take this out. That's why I had never really wrote anything on it. And then this is my to buy section. So I just have this. I think this has been here for a while. I've just kind of redone it. Just on acetate, just stickers that say hustle. Here's another one of the little witch girls from Pinterest, just laminated. And then some more paper from the Halloween Michaels paper pad. And then it goes into, obviously we're in the to buy section. So here is the clear tab that just says to buy. Goes into my list. This is my needs stuff. I've kind of adjusted how I've done my shopping lists. But so house needs, this is to buy things that I just want and don't necessarily need because I need a separate list for that. We've got a subdivider kind of decoration thing in here. It was a picture and I just like cut it apart because I want to have some like negative clear space in it. Again, found it on Pinterest, just cut it apart and laminated it. And then this is like a home want instead of like needs. And then stuff for the cats that they don't really need. I just want to get for them. This is just an extra one. And then here is another subdivider because I'm still in the to buy section. So again, it has a different little pumpkin and they like spread out so that they're not all laying on top of each other. Again, I DIY'd this, super easy glitter. It's just my birthday wish list. Some things I was buying for myself mainly and things I want to ask people for. It's just secret stuff. And then here's my Christmas wish list. I've already gotten myself a few things or been gifted a few things off of here. And then my pricey wish list, stuff for myself, obviously. And then, yeah, straightforward. And then we've got another subdivider. This one's in a different spot again, so they don't lay on top of each other. Same dealio. Since we're getting into the holidays and Christmas, I make lists and keep track of like the gifts that I want to buy for everyone and the price and if I bought it already. So I've already kind of started that. So I'm going to skip these pages because I don't think they watch these videos, but it doesn't need to be out in there so people can see it. Next section is my money section. So just like bills and stuff. Here's another witch girl that I found on Pinterest. This is just a little bat thing that I added to a paper clip. I had gotten it from something that I DIY'd from Michaels from last year. And then just paper from Michaels paper pad. I'm trying to talk like so fast. And I still haven't taken this out, but it's just to keep track of my income and everything. I showed this in a previous thing. It's still the same stuff, basically. This was just a little like folder pocket that I DIY'd with a pouch from Dollar Tree and just laminating glitter sticker from Michaels. Found this on Pinterest. It's so cute. It's just a little Monopoly guy. Just cut it out and laminated it. Online tracker, pretty straightforward. It was with the same stuff that I got matte from. And then this is my next section. So that's like my bills and stuff, things I need to pay for, things that I bought, I guess. But this is like money making tab, which is why it just says boss on it. So again, I just have this, and I've kind of changed this out a few different times with like different stickers, just acetate, and then it just says boss babe on it. And then this is another one of the witch girls I found on Pinterest, just laminated. Some more Halloween paper from Michaels paper pad, so pretty. Oh, here is this tab right here. It just says boss on it because this is like my business type section, I guess. And then, so it's expensive, but this is expensive that goes towards the stuff for making money. I do have a separate planner also, so it's like, this is kind of not really in depth as my other planner, which is why it hasn't been updated either, because my other planner is. And then this is just a little pocket thing that I DIY'd myself from some stuff from Dollar Tree. It looks like the paper is just from Michaels. It's that really smooth glitter. These two die cuts were from Michaels Halloween. This was something I found on Pinterest. Just cut it out. Move this over, and it's plasticky, so it's like super nice. That's more just there for decoration, really, because I thought it was cute. And then this is just information for like my business stuff. So this is how I make money. Some stuff from Poshmark and just like reselling items. I'm gonna kind of skip this stuff because it's just like kind of nothing, because like I said, I do have another planner as well that I actually update. This one not so much. So you can just skip this stuff. Again, some more of these like subdivider top tabs that I DIY'd myself with the pumpkins from Target is basically what's all in here. So we can just kind of skip through all of that. And then this, we can ignore the sticky in the back because it is nothing that you guys need to see. But it's another girl from Pinterest that I found, and I guess that's the artist. I don't even know what that says. Just laminated it, and in the back, it's got the tab. So this is my fit section, so like health, fitness section in here. This is the paper that I used from a different paper book from Michaels. This is just a little note that I need to make a tracker for when I cheat on my keto. I know. I haven't used these yet. I still can't decide if I want to use it. I think in here, mainly I need to just keep track of my cheat days. I have like a million planners, you guys. So this one just doesn't get updated with some things, so I should be taking it out. This is just some, is it vellum? It's tracing paper, but I found this on Pinterest and I just really liked it. It's all the Harry Potter spells. It got stuck kind of in the printer, but I mean, it kind of worked. But it's cute. I can't decide if I want to laminate that. I think I probably should. And then we've just got some spare pages. It looks like back here now is just like extraness that I just thought was cute and just wanted to stick in here, but I never really found a use for it. So here's another one of that collection of the witches from Pinterest. Some more of this glitter paper. Well, it's under the little tab that says notes. So this is like my notes section, but it's just, like I said, a ton of like extraness jammed in here. But here is that smooth glitter paper from Michaels, just folded over. Blank pages, obviously, for the notes section. And this is just subdivided as well, just because I had made extra one of this. But these are so cute. I just made them myself. Some more grid paper, obviously Filofax. It came with my planner. And then this was just another one of these like glitter laminated pockets, or like pouch pockets that I made myself. This Wicked, it was a die cut from Halloween stuff from Michaels. It just has a little teeny baby paper clip on it. Again, I found this one on Pinterest, but the other stuff in here is from Michaels Halloween. And all of these little die cuts on the other side also from Michaels Halloween. And then these are just blank pages. Again, Filofax, since this is the notes section. Just blank. This is another one of the witch girls from Pinterest. She's just pretty, so I had to put her in here. Another divider, which I'll probably maybe keep this one in here. I'm not really sure what I'm doing yet. And then like, see, there's nothing in between these dividers. It's just because I had found all of these girls and printed and laminated them, and then realized I had too many, so I still just put them in here. So she's just laminated some more paper from Halloween and then there's just personal information, so I'm not gonna show that. Cool. And then this is just like the page lifter, which I guess kind of technically I kind of don't need it because I have this one right here, but it just kind of matches with the yellow. It's just plastic. I DIY'd it from a folder. And then in the back here, I have all of my task cards. So these are the ones that I DIY'd myself. So they're not like the best, but there's just the self-care. I do put a clear acetate on top of them just so that when I put them down in the pocket, they don't get damaged at all. And then here is my one for errands, again covered by a little piece of acetate so they don't get damaged. It's basically the same thing for all of them. And this is just little reminders to use, covered with acetate. And the last one, if I can get it out, all of my social stuff. So this is just like recurring tasks that I do instead of writing it in. And then I have this little pen, which I guess I can take out now. This is just from Dollar Tree. It's Halloween, so you don't need to keep that one in here. And then back here, I kind of DIY'd my own little holder for my passwords. It just keeps it so that when I take it in and out, the paper itself doesn't get damaged. It's protected in just this little acetate pocket. So that is everything that's in this planner, my little pocket planner. I'm gonna have to edit this video through a little bit to get out some of that personal information and just put the two videos together, which is annoying, but yeah, that is overall my pocket planner. This was for like Halloween, end of September, October setup for Halloween and everything. I love this planner. I love how it looks. It's kind of chunky, so I am trying to like get it down slightly, but yeah, I love it. So that is everything for this video. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys like to see my kind of like flip through of my planners and like my whole setups. And yeah, I would like try to talk so fast, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe it gave you guys some ideas, some tips, tricks to like incorporate in your planners. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.